Hey, look at this. We've got the first budget between the House and the Senate that balances since the year 2001. Hi, I'm Cynthia Lummis with this week's Cattle Call. I want to congratulate my colleague Mike Enzi and my House colleague Tom Price, both chairmen of their respective House and Senate budget committees, for putting together a conference committee report that represents the joint work of the House and the Senate to pull together a budget that balances in 10 years, that does it while preserving significant programs on which Americans have come to rely, keeps our defense strong, does it without raising taxes, and represents, as I said, the first bicameral budget that balances in 10 years, saves $5 trillion. That's the first time it's happened since I've been here. Congratulations, Senator Enzi and Representative Price. For this week's Cattle Call, I'm Cynthia Lummis.